I love the story in Atomic Habits that was told about a bicycle team. I want to say it's the British team. I probably should have looked this up, but it just came to mind. A bicycle team wanted to like shave their time off. They wanted to be faster. And so instead of just being like, pump, like move your legs harder, right, to get faster, they looked at everything like holistically and figured out how can we get 1% better? How can we have clothing that's more aerodynamic? How can we have you sit on the bike? What food can you eat? Like they took a very multi-layered approach to that problem of how can we be faster on our bikes, and found ways to shave off just like milliseconds here and there. And it added up to be incredible. And they made incredible gains. And so I feel like your question is similar. We can answer, that one way of like, well, just pedal faster. Or we can look at it through this lens of what are all the tiny little things that we can do that will add up to make a really big difference when it comes to being intentional at nap time.